Pangarap mo ba yung insurance na hindi sayang ang bayad? Alam ko yung feeling. You're young, working hard, and trying to build your future. Pero what if kung dumating ang cancer, stroke, or heart attack? Hindi lang health mo ang at risk. Pati ipon mo, investments mo, at lalo na ang pamilya mo. At dito na papasok ang FWD Set for Health. Set for Health is designed para sa mga kagaya mong responsible at practical. Get peace of mind para hindi ka magpanik. Protect your life without wasting any single peso. Hindi mo kailangan mawalan para maprotektahan ang meron ka. Set for Health is your smart, solid, and secure solution. 3 times claim for major critical illness, 1 time claim for minor critical illness, and 100% money back guarantee if no major critical illness claim. Meron pa tong life insurance plus waiver of premiums. Starts at only 1,800 pesos per month. Ang mura, di ba? So what are you waiting for? Comment health now and start to protect your health, your future, and your family.